si Daddy at ang kiddies naghahanda ng breakfast to beat the morning rush. Mititusog ang kiddies sa back to school, handa na dumadali ang breakfast kasi may ladies choice. Nag-breakfast na ang kiddies, humirit pang isa, may baon pa sa eskwela.
Service.
This is an earthquake early warning. Please prepare for strong shaking.
Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning.
This is an earthquake early warning.
Earthquake
Please prepare
warning.
for strong shaking.
Earthquake warning.
We interrupt our programming due to the activation of the earthquake early warning system. Earthquake early warnings were issued for the National Capital Region, Cavite, Nulican, Laguna, and surrounding provinces. Everybody in these provinces should be alert for strong shaking. If you feel any shaking, remember to drop, cover, and hold on. Please protect yourself to avoid injury. Keep away from furniture that may fall over. Hide under a table or desk for protection. When the shaking stops, please turn off all From now on, we will provide earthquake and tsunami information. Intensities of 10 and above on the MMI scale were recorded in Metro Manila. Building collapses and landslides are likely. Please remain calm. Don't turn off your TV or radio.
Tsunami advisory. Tsunami advisory. Tsunami advisory.